Hey everyone. Uh, if you want to learn how to draw in Inkscape in 2026 as a complete beginner, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to start drawing clean vector artwork easily. First, open Inkscape and create a new document. This gives you a blank workspace to begin your drawing. Next, use basic shape tools like rectangle, circle, and star. These are the foundation of most vector designs. Now select the Bezier tool to draw custom lines and curves. This is one of the most important tools for freehand drawing. After that, use the node tool to adjust and refine your shapes. You can fix curves and improve accuracy easily. Next, zoom in closely to work on fine details. This helps you create cleaner and more precise drawings. Now apply fill colors and stroke outlines. This brings your artwork to life visually. After that, use layers to organize different parts of your drawing. This helps keep background and foreground elements separate. Finally, save your file as SVG and export it as PNG if needed. This is how you store and share your finished artwork. So yeah, that's how you draw in Inkscape for beginners in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to create clean vector drawings easily. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners.